Hey there, Coachella Valley. Willie with Smart Tech Security here, and today we're here to show you some security and automation how-tos. Hey, Coachella Valley. Willie again with Smart Tech Security, and we are here again with episode 5. We're going to be wrapping up our Ring doorbell how-to tutorial on just how the app works. Going to get into some of our final settings and stuff like that. But yeah, we're excited to have some great weather and hopefully a great episode to follow with it. All right, and we are back. Going to do our same old opening of the Ring app. Boom. All right. Great. Looks like we have a pretty fun snapshot there. That'll be me with my custom jacket. Hit us up in our comments or DMs to get more info on where you can find some of those snazzy jackets. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and hit our famous cogwheel in the top right-hand corner to open up our settings. And yeah, this is everything. So we've gone through pretty much all the major details of Ring. Now I just kind of wanted to break down what all of these other icons mean. So I'm just going to go through in a row as fast as I possibly can. So taking it from the top left, we have event history. This is going to show us all of our history. You can filter that per camera, per event, and per preview. So you got all that there. The little pen helps you delete or keep or move them to your photos, whatever you want to do. Go back from there. You got accessories. This is where you can go if you wanted to look into maybe adding a chime or solar charger, things like that. You can always find this here. Ring has great prices on their website, especially for people that already own products from them. Mode settings. This is something that's not too common because this is going to kind of tie in your Ring alarm system with your Ring camera system. And of course, Smart Tech Security here, we have our own products that we have had a way better time dealing with than the Ring alarm system. So nothing I want to talk about there necessarily. Link devices is pretty cool. This is going to say if you have multiple cameras on the property, if one detects motion, the other kicks on a light. Or if one detects motion, the other one records a clip, things like that. So you can go ahead and dabble with that on your own discretion. They also have Ring Smart Lighting. So they have patio lights, garden lights, stuff like that that you can use to incorporate with your front door motion or something like that. Alert Snooze, that's cool. That's going to go ahead and shut down your motion notifications for a set amount of time, but at that time elapsing, it's going to turn it back on. Sometimes if you go to motion detection and toggle it off here, you'll have to manually turn it back on, whereas Alert Snooze lets you just kind of set it and forget it. Then we're going into Link Chimes. Is going to let you know if there's any chimes connected to this doorbell. Some people get several chimes throughout the house, and they'll actually link the side yard camera to one chime, the front door to another. So that's what that's going to be there. Device health, this is a good one. This is where you can go to monitor your battery levels. It's going to let you know when you need to get it charged, as well as your network signal strength. The RSSI, they even color coordinate it, which is awesome. Green is really good. Then you got yellow, and red, not good. So feel free to go ahead and check this out every so often. Just make sure all your levels are good there. Staying consistent is important for these products. Motion settings we already went through. That's where you're going to find all your custom orientations for motion analytics. Power settings is where you can go to kind of update your features in order to kind of save your battery life. So motion frequency, if you have it too high up, you can actually dial that down. But you can see here we're using all our recommended settings to get the maximum battery life out of our doorbell. Going into smart responses, this is a fun one. You can actually have this doorbell speak on your behalf. So if motion is detected, it'll let people know that, hey, you're being recorded or you have been detected. Or if they ring the doorbell and you decide not to answer, you can always leave a quick reply. And they do have some based off of our favorite holidays too. So be sure to check that out around Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, stuff like that. Then we have device settings. This is where you're going to go to, control your notifications, video, snapshot, all that stuff you don't really have to worry about. One thing I might recommend is general settings. This is where you go to actually remove your device. If you ever move homes, you want to make sure you remove your device so that way the new homeowner can go ahead and, take it over themselves. Or you can always remove the doorbell. It's kind of a hassle, but this is where you want to go when you move so you can remove the device and give that access to the next person that's moving in. Outside of that, you got privacy settings. That's, to your discretion. Privacy zones are going to kind of block out any unwanted views. So if your camera might be looking into the neighbor's yard or something like that, you can add a privacy zone just to put everybody at ease. So we're backing out of there. Device settings, help content. It's where you're going to go to find help. But you can also contact us anytime, any day. We're always here for you. And then shared access. This is where you can go to actually add a user. So that way you can give somebody access to your doorbell without giving them access to your actual account. And that's super important if you're going to be renting the house or if you have property managers looking over your house. You want to share that access to your doorbell. You don't want to share your account information, only the doorbell. So that you can find down there in shared access. But that'll be it. That's a wrap for our Ring series here. Look forward to what we got in the future. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and always stay safe out there, Coachella.